Your Jeep Wrangler may be equipped with an electric vehicle recovery winch that, when used properly and safely, can help you out in certain situations. The winch motor is powered by the vehicle's charging system and uses a synthetic rope that is highly flexible, lightweight, and is designed to float. The remote control allows the operator to power the winch in by pressing down on the toggle switch or out by pressing up. The winch will stop if the switch is released. The clutch lever allows the winch drum to be disconnected from the motor, so the rope can be pulled by hand. Put on a pair of leather gloves and disengage the clutch. Free the winch hook from the loop on the hawse fair lead, attach the hook strap, and use it to pull the rope to a suitable anchor point. Connect the remote to the control box, located on the front of the winch, and engage the clutch. If you choose to control the winch from inside the vehicle, pass the remote through a window to avoid pinching the cord in the door. Before attempting to put your winch to use, take the time to fully read and understand the installation and operations guide and basic guide to winching techniques. Details for proper rigging techniques and options, as well as safety precautions, are listed in your owner's information. When it's time to retract the rope for storage, keep the synthetic rope under light tension and press the toggle switch down to spool the rope back and onto the drum in even layers. When the hook is the same distance as the full length of the remote control, attach the hook strap and walk it toward the bumper while spooling in the remaining rope. Store the hook on the most outboard loop of the fair lead and take up any remaining slack. Now, disconnect the remote from the control box and put the cap on the solenoid plug-in. Store the remote control in a clean, dry place and you're all set. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.